this guy, and not this guy. Here he did.
Okay.
And he don't have any teams anymore. Like that one guy.
Oh, so why do you have that claw?
Because I'm a crab.
You're a crab? Okay, go ahead, fight. Egg rolls are done. Whoa. Okay, so I need those. I need to get the egg rolls. Let me see.
Let's get these up first.
Ah, yeah. Okay, thanks.